That song is crazy.
Yeah, that song is nuts.
Elmer's so good.
He's so underrated.
Yeah, he's nuts.
And Elmer also said Lunchables.
Lunchables?
I feel like they were overrated when we were in like 6th grade, but now they're underrated again. Because like, dude, they're a quick, easy snack, but no one takes advantage of them.
I agree.
They're nasty, that's why.
The pizza ones, if you ate the pizza
Oh my god, I love the pizza ones.
you were a menace if you ate the pizza ones.
I love the pizza ones.
No, you're a menace if you ate the pizza ones. It's like freezing cold.
Go to the next one.
You're literally getting...
Have a sip of that.
What is it called?
No! I want to juice myself up. I want to juice myself up.
You're literally getting, like, what is that? A tortilla and getting freezing
Pita bread.
Pita bread. Getting freezing...
It's not pita bread. You asked me a question, you dumbass! You literally asked a question, I answered. You cannot be mad.
I want to know why I'm mad?
Why?
Because I said, what is it? You said pita bread. I said, okay. I started talking, and then you said, it's not pita bread. What's your first answer for?
My first thing is, I said it because you were looking, like you were about to say pita bread, because that's what you were thinking. And so I said what you were thinking. I didn't say what it is.
You're actually an idiot.
Tortilla,
Chris!
pita bread.
The pita bread. So you answered
Whatever.
And then
that are down there, like if birds realize like, oh, these humans that are constantly ruining the world, if they were to go, if all these birds realize that and go to like a cave or something and be like, we need to like mass out our population because
what are you saying?
If they repopulated enough, birds would take over. There's if birds, you can say the same thing about flying. They can fly. One. Oh my god, there's one time I saw that. I was looking over my shoulder. I hate teachers that grade shit wrong and then argue with you about it. Like, oh no, you actually did get that wrong when they're wrong. Because I remember it was like fucking 4th grade and we had to do like the states and capitals tests. And it was like, there's 50 states and capitals. I fucking memorized them all. I was going into this test so confident. And I get it back and it was like 49 out of 50. And I was like, that's impossible. It's a matching test. Like it was the list of capitals, the list of states. How are they not? I was like, how do you get a 49?
Yeah, it should be a 48.
It's either a 48 or a 50.
Yeah.
And I fucking checked, and bitch was trying to tell me the capital of Rhode Island was wrong, and I knew it was fucking right. And I got a 50 out of 50.
What is the capital of Rhode Island?
I forget now. Yes. Dude, oh no, wait. You want to know what pisses me the fuck off?
What?
When you get the math question right, but they mark it wrong because they didn't show your work. How about you show these nuts in your mouth? I'm not sure. I don't need to prove to you why I know the fucking answer. Fuck off.
Calculator's not showing us
Exactly. Who is most likely to... That's the point, though.
Yes! I actually can't believe it.
You have to crop this video. Crop it! Fuck! No! Do it now, because you're going to get confused.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I'm not doing it. Oh my god, I can't handle it. You said, crop it! TikTok. I think...
Spear? Britney Spears?
Yeah, because it's spelled the same way.
S-P-E-A-R.
What?
There's no other way.
There definitely could be. S-P, what'd you say?
S-P-E-A-R.
There are like 8 ways to spell like...
Am I wrong?
I don't know, dude.
What 3 weapons are you going with,
A weapon with a long shaft and a pointed tip.
Is it what?
Typically of metal.
Is what?
It's a spear.
Oh, okay.
So
that's
used for thrusting and throwing. I don't want to thrust and I don't want to throw. I want to swing and I want to jab. That's why I would take a staff over a spear. Let's look up a staff. What's the fucking difference? It's not that big of a deal. It's just don't correct.
Nick, you do realize just because you have a spear doesn't mean it has to be thrown? Bingo!
That's relax, but in the Google definition.
So you want a spear that you can hold on to, is basically what you're saying.
A staff is a long stick used as support when walking or climbing or as a weapon.
Okay. So you
Get me my staff! Dude, I'm taking a minute. It's this. Do you want the flash?
No.
So I got a Happy Meal.
Someone paid for it.
Somebody paid for it.
We're in line at McDonald's in the drive-thru and someone paid for Matt's Happy Meal. And so we gave him like a, oh, thank you wave. It was nice though.
Hey, if you're watching
it was
this,
so sweet.
thanks for getting
our
our
sweet tea.
Thank you. Guys, I just put bows where nipples go.
You have low ass nipple.
Oh no, it's like
one's here, one's here.
It's cause the pocket. Oh wait, this isn't on my nipple. My nipple's over here. Is that more accurate?
Yeah, I think so.
No, they're even.
So
So. wasn't that funny. It honestly I put those on my nipples. Yeah, lopsided nipples. It wasn't that funny. I see you be tripping with the fame. Now I see fake friends and be acting how they claim. She be in it for some change. She be saying I be too good to I gotta take some blame. When it was you and I said that it was perfect. I just need to chill. Wow. Fucking false. He fucking, what are we writing a fucking autobiography about Nick? Yeah. We should do that again, he suggests. Who is he? Who the fuck is he? Is he me? Cause that ain't fucking me. He? He as in me? As in I? Fuck no. Fuck no. Absolutely not. Nick, talking about putting words in my mouth. Quoting me? That's not even putting words in my mouth. That's making up a story. No, fucking trying it, dude. Nick, because now I feel like I fucking remember that. Apparently we're retrieving snacks too. What the fuck? What do you think we're getting at? Oreos. Oreos? 100%. You know what the first thing I thought of? What? Tostitos with queso. Oh. Why? This one has 2 parts. Some of the fan fictions that have been created about us to each other. Today? No, if you can see my nipple and it falls out. It's okay. Today as a gay male. Body positive. Come on. I know, but I'm just saying like today as a gay male, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm a gay male every day, but I'm gonna read fan fictions that are probably about Matt and Chris because, you know, I'm gay. Peculiar. We'll start off small with a poem that I found about Matt. Are you just dead serious? Will you be my lover boy? Matthew Bernard Sturniolo. I asked, drowning myself in his eyes. Ooh. Want to recreate that while he reads it? No. Why? Only if you promise to be my lover girl. He holds out his pinky, and smile brightens the dark room that's suffocating us. I promise. I interlock our pinkies and lay my head on his chest. He's my lover boy. Bravo. Who's that directed by? I mean, written by? I don't know. No, make it anonymous because I don't want to put people on blast. So let's give our thoughts on it and rate it. Honestly, if it wasn't about you, I'd think it would be a alright poem. There was big words, it was good writing. Like, I think it was good writing, but you'll never catch me calling someone lover girl or being wanted to call lover boy. Like, that's I would never be. That's so sus. It's alarming, honestly. Yeah, I'd never want that. Only if you'll be my lover girl. Weird I am. Only if you'll be my lover girl. Why do you answer with that? It comes out of left field with the most random shit. Only if you'll be my lover girl. I guess, dude, shut up. Honestly, like, your job is to read. Only if you'll be my lover girl. Stop it right now. Alright, so, the delivery and the words were... Will you be my lover, boy? Stop it. Only if you'll be my lover girl. Alright, the delivery and his head on my chest. He's my lover boy. Alright, overall rank... I feel like you're breaking the song. I can't even rank this. I can't even rank. I wanted Nick does it, bro. He really puts it all together. The music was great, right? That was music. He's my lover boy. Roll end credits. Roll end credits. No, what would you rank it out of 10, Nick? Yo, can you stop being a fucking moron, dude? Fuck you. Put the drink down. Alright, lover boy. Put your phone. Don't call me that. Do we have a napkin? I don't know. Check the bag. This is a new car. I just bought you this car. We should honestly give our ratings on all. Bro, 3. 10 out of 10. I know. 10 out of 10. 2. Alright, next is Vermont Sharp, Seriously Sharp, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Those are 4. What's that? Colby Jack. Colby Jack! Fuck, endless. I can't pick a top 3. Dude, no, cheese is cheese. Strings! Come on. Yeah, solid love for string. What is string cheese? Like, what flavor is it? Wait, you can buy different flavored string. Yeah, so what's the OG? So that's like a style. That's like saying that's my favorite style cheese. Okay, so like what
cheese flavor?
Cheese, beef,
Vermont sharp.
strength.
Vermont sharp's pepper jack. Oh, then
Pepper jack's good. There's no top three. End of the discussion.
Never top three cheese. Do like people in the West Coast have Vermont cheddar?
Dude.
They fucking better hope so, because that's just elite.
Oh, I had it at Maddie's house.
Sure?
Yeah.
For sure.
I think so. No,
I mean, it's Vermont.
I didn't buy it.
Like, you know how, but I saw it at the store.
East Coast water. It's like a link thing. It's a good, like Vermont syrup. Like, you like a good syrup, like expensive shit. They're like,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like one of
Because I thought it was like that, you know how, like, Poland Springs is East Coast and then Arrowhead is West Coast?
Yeah.
I thought it was like one of those.
Anyways,
we
I
got
want to
something
say,
from there for here.
hey, Yana.
Yeah. Dude, I'm, like, crossing my eyes and I'm, like, not...
Okay, before we wrap up this video, I want to say shout out to fan accounts. 1,000 YouTube subscribers.
Oh my god. And if you disagree or agree with us, let us know. Let us know in the comments. And if you disagree, tell us why. Why do you disagree? Go follow our Instagram.
Give a good example.
Follow our TikTok. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not subscribed. We're going to start posting on days that are not Fridays, possibly. So turn on that. We're going to try, bro. We keep saying that. We don't actually do it. We're going to do it. We have to really funny videos on TikTok, right? This right now is our YouTube channel, right? I'm gonna make this a TikTok trailer. On TikTok right now, you're gonna see this video. This is on your TikTok For You page. Me and my brothers have a YouTube channel and we do crazy shit. We answer questions, we do comedy videos, I guess. We do kind of funny. I think we're funny. We might be funny, but if we're not, like, just give us a chance. If you see this, just give us a chance. We're Sturniolo Triplets, and you should subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. Because I love putting a smile on people's faces. I love it. There's nothing I love more than making you happy. Subscribe. Bye. See you next time. I'm just screen recording that. And I'm gonna play that to like whenever, like, if Nick ever flirts with a guy, I'm gonna go up to him and show them that right there. Bye. Alright, I know this is really off topic, but I had a Reese and it was melting. Oh my god, the camera's about to die.